Hey guys, Mason here. Welcome back to the Sweet Spot, where I create delicious desserts that you can follow along with at home. Now I know summer is coming to an end, and I'm officially going to start baking for fall first week of September. So for my last 2 summer recipes, I wanted to at least give you one ice cream recipe, and that's what we're going to be making today. Now one of my favorite flavors, period, is peanut butter. And so I wanted to make some sort of peanut butter ice cream. And what I have for you today is a peanut butter and jelly ice cream. Now I know these two can be seen as very childish flavors, but to me they're all-time classics. You can't beat a good peanut butter and jelly sandwich. This recipe is also super easy, no churn. You don't need an ice cream maker to make this, so anyone can make this at home. With just a couple of ingredients, you're gonna be wowed. If you guys want the recipe, stick around and we'll get started. So to get started, we have a list of our ingredients. Heavy whipping cream, sweetened condensed milk, extra crunchy peanut butter, grape jelly, and vanilla. So we're just going to pour our cold whipping cream into our mixer. You can do this by hand or with a hand mixer. We're just going to let this whip up until stiff peaks form. Now I'm going to change my attachment from the balloon whisk to the beater. And I'm going to go on ahead and add in that sweetened condensed milk and the vanilla. Now I know a lot of recipes say that you should do this by hand and be very careful because you'll lose the air, but this ice cream comes out super creamy. The texture is perfect. So to me, I just think that's an extra step you don't have to have. Then we're going to add in that peanut butter and give it a mix up. And this is what will give your ice cream color, because up until this point it's pretty pale. And now I'm going to take this off of the mixer and add in 2/3 of the jelly. And we're going to reserve the other for the top. And now you're just going to want to stir this in. I like to see the streaks. You're not wanting it to be one homogeneous mixture. And then you pour it into a loaf pan or a freezer safe container that has a lid. And what I love about this recipe is that it's no bake, super easy. You can do this one night before bed and have ice cream the next day. And now for that last little bit of jelly that we had left, I'm going to pour that on the top. And then I'm just taking my offset spatula. You can use a skewer, a knife, anything here. And just going to marble that throughout the top. I just think it gives it such a nice finish. Now, as always, the full written recipe and ingredients are listed down below in the description box. So feel free to share this recipe with all of your friends before summer ends. And now we're going to put that in the freezer for 8 hours up to overnight. And when we pull it out, this is what it looks like. So what'd you guys think? You could serve this to any of your friends or relatives. They would have no idea that this did not come from the store. You don't sacrifice anything on texture. The sweetened condensed milk, the way that it freezes in the freezer gives you a nice texture because it doesn't completely solidify and turn into ice. And you can't beat peanut butter and jelly together. I mean, they're always gonna be delicious. You could even substitute this for strawberry jelly if that's what you like. I prefer the classic grape jelly. I would love to know some of your all's favorite ice cream flavors. Let me know in the comment section down below. You should definitely give this a try. From my home to yours, enjoy.